Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Before we start, please make sure you guys are subscribed and hit the like button. And yeah, let's get into it. So today we'll be tuning my ACEdc Ratchet ring. So currently it only has one spring in it and one ball. And this is what it sounds like right now. So yeah, it's pretty loose. It's in the most loose setting it can be. Only one ball. So yeah, more recently I've been using this mode because it's just like a very easy to push, doesn't need a lot of effort at all. So yeah, today I'll be showing you all the other modes this thing can do. Let me go ahead and unscrew this thing. All right. So it actually has, one second. So it has 3 springs in there, but I just kept them in there because I didn't want to take them out and like risk losing them. So now we're gonna put 2 of them in there. All right, hold on 1 second. Let me just put these down. All right. So basically, you put the spring in there and then the balls. I'm guessing you can put them, you can fill every single spot and then have it, like have the most resistance on each click. I'm gonna have to try that once I get more springs and balls. So I currently have 3 springs and 3 balls, and yeah, I need to get more. So yeah, let's go ahead and put the springs back in. I'm gonna put 1 here and then 1 here. So right now, the balls I put in this bag so that I wouldn't lose them. These are my ceramic balls. Just put them in here. All right, gotta put these back. All right, let me put, shit. I don't know what the hell that is. It was a bit dirty for some reason. Oh, okay, thank God I caught that. All right, that's it. 1 ball and 2 ball. And then now you basically screw this top part. This is what makes the sound. All right, let's screw it in. All right, and here it is with 2 balls in there. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna play the clip where it has 1 ball, and then I'm gonna cut back to this. So there's a bit more resistance on it, and I like it. But it's like still easy to spin, kind of. So yeah. All right, now let's put in the 3rd spring and the 3rd ball. That's this side. And now we're gonna drop the third spring in there. And then close it up. You just hear it already sounds better. All right, and then this is with 3 springs in there and balls. Oh yeah, I mean, that just sounds amazing. So again, I'll put the first clip, second clip, and then this clip. So ready, go. Damn, that sounds amazing. So yeah, what I heard, it's that these have the same springs and balls as the Metal Toys products. So I'm gonna test that out and see if that is true. No, I don't think so. As you can see, these springs are like shorter and then wider. So I don't think these will work. But I will be switching up the tops on the, so I'll be testing out this part for these products, the sparks, and then maybe if this fits on here, I'll try it on there too. But yeah, I'll save that for another video though. I don't even know if it'll fit in this one. I'm not too sure. So yeah. All right. Let me put these away. I guess I'm actually gonna take it apart and then leave only one ball in there. So I guess what I'm gonna try and do. So I guess what I'm gonna try and do is I'm gonna go on AliExpress and find the springs and then balls that fit in here. All right. I'm gonna leave the springs in there so I don't lose them. I think that's the best way to do it. So yeah, then I'm gonna close this back up. There we go. And it always kind of like spins on its own a bit if you spin it hard enough. So yeah, this rubber O-ring definitely helps. So yeah. All right, well yeah, I think that'll be it for this video. Once I get more springs and balls, I will make an update video on this where I try each separate mode. Like I guess you can say mode, but basically it'll be I go one by one, filling each hole with a ball and see how that sounds. But yeah, and that'll be all for this video. And yeah, definitely recommend this thing. Yeah, you can either get it on, I think you can get this on Big White EDC. I have a 10% off code on a site just for my viewers, so make sure to check that out in the description below. You guys can get 10% off this or any other product on your entire order even. And yeah, make sure to check him out. Great dude. But yeah, I definitely recommend this product. It's so good. I just wish they came with like a lot more balls and stuff. If I find the right links on AliExpress to the balls and then the springs, I'll make sure to leave them below so you guys can get them too if you guys have this. So yeah, other than that, that'll be all for this video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 300 subscribers soon. Let's see if we can do it within the next 10 days or something like that. All right, thank you guys. See you.